Hi there, students. Susceptible. Susceptibility. Okay, susceptible is an adjective that means something is easily influenced or easily affected. It's sensitive or vulnerable. So, for example, old people are susceptible to colds and flu. He's very susceptible to flattery. It affects him very strongly, and it's a good way to manipulate him. You can also use susceptible to mean capable of having something done to it. So this system is not susceptible to alteration. This play by Shakespeare is susceptible to various interpretations. It's capable of being interpreted in various different ways. Okay, so susceptible, easily affected. Older people or people who have osteoporosis are susceptible to broken bones. They're prone to, they're liable to, inclined to. Children are more susceptible to advertising. And for that reason, I don't think advertising should be shown to children. Some people are more susceptible to hypnosis than others. We also often use susceptible, even on its own, to say that somebody is easily affected emotionally. So he's very susceptible after his mother's death. He's very touchy. He gets upset very easily. Children are susceptible and need to be protected from many things in society. Okay, so this is something that is easily changed, is easily manipulated, is easily attacked by something else. It's vulnerable. This computer system is particularly susceptible to cyber attack, and we need to do something about it. Okay? If your immune system is low, then you are much more susceptible to a virus. Okay? This word susceptible comes from Latin. Suscipere, to take up, to sustain. So if you're susceptible to something, you easily take it up. I think when people cook, they are susceptible to adding too much salt to the food, and this masks the flavour. Okay, so susceptibility, vulnerable, easily affected, easily attacked by something. So, formality, susceptible. I think it's probably neutral formality, maybe ever so slightly formal, but you could use it in an informal conversation, you can use it in the most formal of documents, so it's nice and flexible. English students are susceptible to translating. I prefer to plus ing. Are susceptible to translating from their native tongue into English, and it's not a good thing to do. Okay? So, we're all susceptible to certain things. We are easily influenced by them. Yeah? I'm very susceptible to chocolate, for example. What are you susceptible to? Okay, If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Susceptible Susceptibility.